All right, now this is in real time. This is how fast I can possibly do this level. I might be. I think I got 20 seconds as my record. If I can do it in less than 20 seconds, I've beaten my record. But now there is an actual way to do it if you speed up. Oh, I got 18 seconds. All right, I'm pretty proud of that. Now, okay, so that is my record. Now let's do it one more time. Hold on, I'm going to turn this setting on right here. That is, I don't know, is it double the speed or pretty close, but it's really hard to control. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset just so I can get the maximum time. So definitely go faster. And, oh, yikes, yikes, yikes. I did it in 10 seconds. Oh no, I wasn't completely in there. Okay, all right. There we go. So 14. So basically it's double. It's double. All right, let's try one more time. All right, in the fastest speed. Turn around here. Let's not go too far. Ooh, it's so difficult to control. No, still didn't do it because I can't stay. I can't seem to stop in time. But yeah, I think you. I always recommend doing this. All right, stay at one level. Stay at one of these levels. All right, and that way you can you can master your speed. Oh, still didn't get it. Of course, I could do full force going this way, maybe half speed, and that way I can at least be a lot easier to beat my score. There we go. Look at that. Look at that skill. I'm so proud of myself. And okay, boom. Okay, 16 seconds. Oh yes. So if you can beat my score, okay. So let's see if I can actually do it. All right. Ooh, nope. Destroyed the crap out of him. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna switch to my steering wheel. All right, there is a setting in it here right now. So if you click on whatever you're currently using, this is the name of my steering wheel, my actual physical steering wheel. So I'm gonna give that a shot. Okay. Let's see how well I can do with that. Okay, let's reset. Okay, boom, done. All right, I feel like I do have so much more control. Oh, yes. I mean, boom. Okay, 13 seconds. Now, I wasn't going flat out, though. All right, I wasn't going flat out. I was going flat out doing this way. All right, and then let's try flat out. Oh, boy. If I can get 10 seconds, I will be so happy with myself. All right. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, what did I do? Hit the wall? See, I can't turn the bloody steering wheel as quick as I can with the mouse. All right. Da-da. Yeah. Anywho, so it's still better, but obviously. Okay, one more time. Okay. Oh, that is very, really hard. Anyhow, okay. Well, let's change the settings again back to this one, the slider. This is my favorite, straight up my favorite. But I think I can do it. Okay. My problem is stopping. I always seem to not be able to stop. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. But I don't know. This is just kind of like how I like to play the game. I like to see how fast I can actually get the oh, there it is. 11 seconds. Boom. Got it. All right. I hope this didn't bore you too much. I don't know. This is kind of like what I like to do. I like to see you can't get faster than 11 seconds. I think I just proved that right there. If you can get it faster, I would love to see a video, and I would be seeing. We would definitely be seeing a lot more of those videos of whoever can actually beat me at my own game, basically. And of course, I have the advantage of the fact that I have truck drived for 20 years. So there's that as well. All right. Later, guys. Goodbye.